nothing. How are you doing? Yeah. Please, do you have Pieto? Do you have Pieto over there? Oh, I'm not talking about boxer. I'm talking about Pieto. Do you have Pieto? I mean, this time.
You don't have Sunday.
You don't have star? Oh my goodness. No problem.
Okay.
No problem. So where am I meeting these guys? Where are we meeting? As you can see, I'm on a date.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm on a date with someone. Oh my goodness. Priest. Oh, you remember me? I hyper diving. Oh, with you.
Oh my God, oh my God, you're actually looking so good.
Thank you, baby.
Is that working for me? Give me one swag. Oh my gosh. You don't mean it. What is happening?
Just look at her coming.
Baby. You're welcome. Anyway, how much did you say we were going to?
Where are you going?
Why are you doing your lips like that?
I'm reaching go.
You know Royal College.
Royal
College.
After school. After that,
College.
Royal Palace.
Oh, I see College.
Okay, so let's get going.
Okay, let's go.
You're actually looking so pretty.
Oh, thank you very much. You too, you're looking nice.
Okay, so let's go.
I'm gonna be there.
Behave yourself.
Okay, no problem.
You walk like a lady. A pretty lady.
No problem.
Why do you want to follow us?
Why do you want to follow us in the first place?
I'll follow you.
What is that?
Let's go, my dear.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's just manage her. Like that, though. After this girl. Why you can't walk in there?
Oh, I'm working.
Yeah, what kind of work? What is this? You're all working.
Oh my goodness.
What are we going to do right now? Because you know we are going somewhere and then all these things happen.
Oh God.
Why? You already knew your girl was going to be here.
Hey, she's having her view already.
I'm telling you, I'm surprised.
Just a minute, why?
Just be in hurry. Like, God. We are going somewhere. How can you just put us through all this stress? Hurry.
Hey,
Hurry up.
I drop over here. Let's go. Hurry up. Wait. It's on the next one.
Can we go?
Oh yeah. Okay, good now.
Hurry up.
Are you done?
Guess you are done.
Hey.
Can we
I'm
go?
done. Please,
No,
let's
no,
go.
you know what? Let's go anywhere here, okay?
Let's go.
Let's just go.
Let's go.
Let's hurry up. Okay, so it's my friend.
Hi.
Abena. And then Ajwa. Ajwa, how is it?
Hold on. Who is this, please?
That's our friend. She actually lives in our area.
Wow.
Yeah, so when I told her about our outing, then she wanted to join. So
Now, why is she holding sunglasses?
put it down. Actually, sorry, when we were coming,
Is she okay?
Yeah, she's fine.
Yeah, I'm okay.
When
Hey, it's very nice.
when we were coming, yeah, and then I think the slippers just
Yeah,
got
it's yet our last.
destroyed.
Yeah, so no problem. I'm okay.
Are you sure you won't?
Yeah, I'm very okay.
Yeah, it's fine. Just ignore. Anyway, so what's going on?
Everything is fine. I've just been here waiting for you guys.
Okay. So are we on for something?
So what do you care for?
I think are we okay with Mort? Abena, what do you want?
More.
Okay. Yeah. Ajwa, what would you like to have?
Oh, it's like 1, 2, 3.
What's 1, 2, 3?
I don't go 1, 2, 3.
I don't go.
Yeah, me the boss here.
Anyway, so
I don't really understand the way she's behaving. Where did you go her from?
Oh, that's our friend. She actually stays in our area.
Like,
okay, let me just.
She doesn't seem like a woman, you know.
She is. Let me order for a drink there and come.
The way she's chewing her mouth.
Or should I call the waitress?
Okay, just the waitress and let her come. Or just go. You just go and call her.
Okay, let me just call. Okay. Okay. Waitress.
1, 2, 3.
Excuse me, okay. I need to make some call.
So, what's your name?
You care for my name?
Yeah, I care for your name. What's your name?
I'm Teddy.
Teddy?
Yeah.
Teddy Bell or Teddy?
I'm Teddy.
Teddy, oh, nice. I'm Ajua.
Ajua.
Yeah.
Oh, nice meeting you.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Please, put your hands down. Put your leg down.
Oh, no, sorry.
I said put your leg down.
Sorry.
You don't say like that.
Oh, sorry. Excuse me.
You got to be straight, okay?
Yeah, I'm very sorry.
What you mean? What are you trying to do?
Oh, I'm tired. Oh.
You got to sit down.
Oh, okay.
Sit down.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah,
you back?
For it, yeah.
All right.
Well, is everything okay?
Oh,
Just
I'm
behaving
okay.
like bending down,
Like I was,
doing.
But why is Abena?
She told me that she's receiving a call.
Oh, okay, she's here.
Oh, that's it.
So what was she doing?
She asked of my name and I said I'm Teddy and we do the handshake and doing this and bending down, shaking the ass. I don't know what
serious?
Of course.
Ajua, I brought you somewhere and this is how you're behaving.
I'm not behaving anything. You know, it's just a guy.
You're not behaving anything.
Yeah. It's normal now.
She
Smile for me, baby girl.
She seems so strange, you know.
Ajua.
Oh, I'm okay.
Ajua, what's the meaning of what you're doing?
I'm okay.
What's the meaning of what you're doing?
No problem.
What do you want?
Forget everything.
I should forget everything.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey.
Take your time now. What is this?
Okay.
Oh God, Ajua, you're just disgracing me here right
No
now.
problem.
Ajua.
So what is one of your sandals?
Oh, I take.
Oh, really?
I take your banner.
Place your bed well. Place it well.
A boom. I want to see it. So, maybe I put on the
Wow.
Baby, I'm so sorry. Like, I don't know. It's not like this though. But
I'm not like that.
I don't know what happened.
It's just because of the water.
Weather.
Yeah.
But
The weather is controlling you.
The sun is too scorching, it's too hot. And you said the weather is down.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm not.
Thank you so much.
Oh, no. I said I don't like this one. I like.
Ajua.
I'll do it.
Ajua.
Next time you don't have to
Take
bring
it
her
easy.
along.
What is this?
Sorry, I didn't
Why are you
know
doing
this
this?
She's too embarrassing.
Oh, I'm sorry. This won't happen again. I'm sorry.
Ajua, you are sweating a lot. Why? What's going on?
Sorry.
She's too embarrassing. Why? Why are you doing those to yourself?
Anyway, baby, you know what? I think we have to start going. We are leaving, so I'll meet you some other day. Yeah. Ajua, let's go.
Please
Put your leg down.
Oh, sorry. I don't know.
What kind of friend is this?
Ajua, you can't sit down.
I'm very, very sorry. You know,
Where are you from, please?
it won't happen again. No?
Where are you from?
I'm from Asante Achimusu. Yeah.
Really?
I'm okay.
You can't sit down. You can't sit properly.
You know what?
Right.
Let me see you outside. Come,
Pardon?
just follow me.
Hey.
Can you put the drink down, please? Just put it down. Put the drink down.
We'll be better. What is
Ajua,
Why?
Abena.
Why are you behaving like this? Huh? Hey, why are you behaving like this?
Come, let's go.
Why are you behaving like this?
Now, what's on our day?
What am I eating?
You're just disgracing me up and
I'm
down.
not disgracing.
You
request what you want and I request what I want.
Why you are putting your leg on the table? What's that? What is wrong with you? Hey, you fool. I swear. I don't know say this is what you will come do for you. You disgrace us. Challenge me so far.
It won't happen again. Let's go and continue. It won't happen again.
We are going. Hey, go and take your steps and let's go. Akaho. In fact, I'm not even going there again.
Go
and take it.
Thank you very much.
Oh. Abena, I just don't even know what to do. I'm so like.
Oh, never mind. Sorry. You have a beer.
Hey, don't touch me.
Oh, no problem.
Don't touch me. I don't know you from nowhere.
Oh, yeah. No problem.
But don't touch me.
You have it.
Hey, excuse me. Just have a seat.
You are a handsome man.
Thank you so much.
Let me tell you something.
What do you want to tell me?
Your girlfriend. He's a Khoweigu.
What?
You know what Khoweigu?
What do you mean by that?
Bed wet.
Oh!
She sleeps, she urinates on a bed.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, she's a Khoweigu. As for me, I'm not like that. No? When I'm feeling like urinate, I come out and urinate outside. No?
Stop pulling your dress up. Stop pulling out. Just let it be down. Stop pulling it out.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm pulling it down. I'm pulling it down. Oh, cheers. Why don't we do cheers? Cheers.
Wow. It's so funny.
Adjoa.
Hello.
I thought you were coming for your back.
Yeah.
So what are you doing here?
Yes.
Shut up and let's go.
Wow, shut up.
Shut up and let's go.
Shut up. I'm bend over. Shut up.
We are sorry about that. So sorry, okay? We are so sorry.
Okay.
We are so sorry. Some other time.
Go and take your drink here.
Put it down.
Betty, he bought it for us.
He bought what for you?
He bought it for us.
Adjoa, shut up and put it down. Sorry, okay? We are very sorry about that. We are so sorry.
We're very sorry. Oh, please, why? Why are you doing this to me?
Adjoa, you catching me. When you pay the money. Sweetie, I'm so sorry. I didn't know this thing was going to happen.
You sorry for what? I'm really disappointed in you. I asked you out, and why did you bring all your friends together with you?
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Look at what the other girl was just doing. Trying to pull her dress up. I mean, shaking her heart towards me.
You?
What does it mean?
So
do you have all these kind of friends?
I just didn't know.
Come on. I didn't like the way you did.
I'm sorry.
Next time it's not going to happen like that.
Actually, they are going home. Abena is taking a job home. So.
Yeah, she has to leave because.
Why are you pissed?
Yeah, pissed off.
You're pissed.
Yeah, if it happened to be like you're gonna be bored of this, I ask you out and you bring your friend. You don't know how much money that I put inside my pocket, and you bring your friends along with you. Yeah, That's so embarrassing.
I'm so sorry. Yeah.
No,
I just
like
didn't know this was going to happen.
No, I'm not okay with this. You understand? I asked you out and you intentionally bring your friend along with you. I don't know.
They were just bored at home.
I don't know what you were just planning. Come on. Hey, stop that. What? Hey, lady. What do you mean by this? Look at all this. You see what I was just talking? I was just saying. So is she your friend? Come on. What type of friend is this? Next time I'm not going to ask you out again, okay?
I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry for yourself.
Hey. Adjoa. So he actually came to disgrace me. So when I thought I'm bringing you out so we all have fun, and he just came to disgrace me. He didn't even also pay for the drinks. Oh my god. Waitress, please come. Please, how much is the bill?
Everything is 25.